Sorry for making it for everyone, but it is actually aimed at people who think that they can behave in whatever manner they wish to at the reception area. Now, how should you generally behave anywhere? Of course, in a well-mannered way, because you are watched at every step. But what I intend to do here is to list some key things to remember and follow the moment you enter the interview premises. Always make the register entries clearly wherever required. Do not carry a camera phone to companies where it is not allowed, else leave it at the gate. You can ask this at the time of interview setup. Park your vehicle only at the designated parking place correctly. Enter the reception area with a warm smile and confidence in your body language. Greet the receptionist warmly with a smile. Now don't stare at the pretty receptionist and never try to flirt with the receptionist. Tell her the purpose of your visit and the person you intend to meet. Wait patiently if asked to wait. Switch off your phone or at least make it silent. Don't put it on vibration mode as well, as that also causes disturbance. If you have to take some important call while waiting, go out and take the call as the voice echoes in the reception hall, else speak very softly. Do not chat loudly with the other guys who are waiting there. Sit confidently. Neither sit at the edge of the seat, showing that you are nervous, nor sit too relaxed as if you are tired already. If you wish to drink a glass of water, ask her how you could help yourself. If she asks you to wait at your place, go and wait patiently, as she must have asked someone in pantry to serve you. Fill up the given forms neatly and correctly and hand it over to the receptionist. Wait for your turn. Now don't stare at the women moving around the campus. Trust me, men think that no one is watching, but they get noticed every time they do it. Don't forget to thank the receptionist after the interview before leaving the premises. And a final tip to remember: your behavior and mannerisms at the reception show how you would be behaving after joining the company and the way you would be presenting the company in the outside world. It also reflects on your upbringing and grooming. So behave your best because your interview starts at the reception. Good luck.